In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove app from Shopify. Removing an app is a useful way to clean up your admin, reduce monthly costs, and prevent an app from continuing to run features you no longer need. Before you uninstall anything, take a moment to confirm you are signed into the correct Shopify store, especially if you manage more than one. It is also a good idea to note any settings you might want later, since uninstalling can remove access to the app inside your admin. Once you are in your Shopify admin dashboard, look to the lower left area for settings and select it. This is where Shopify keeps the main controls for your store, including checkout, shipping, and apps. Inside settings, find and open apps and sales channels. This section lists all the apps you have installed, along with any sales channels connected to your store, so it is the right place to manage removals. Now scan the list and locate the specific app you want to remove. Take your time to choose the correct one, because some apps can have similar names. When you are ready, click Uninstall next to that app. Shopify will then open a confirmation window to make sure you intended to remove it. In the confirmation window, you may see an option to select a reason for uninstalling. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for your own record keeping, and it also provides feedback to Shopify and the app developer. If you prefer to skip it, you can. Finally, click Uninstall again to confirm. After you confirm, Shopify will remove the app from your store. Give it a few seconds, then check that the app no longer appears in your installed apps list. If the app added anything to your theme, such as a widget or embedded code, you may want to review your storefront afterward to confirm everything looks the way you expect. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.